This is lightningesl.com. The death of cursive writing. Think about it. Cursive writing, what does that mean? It's to write letters, numbers. Remember those days before the typewriter and even after, during the typewriter that we have now? The idea of writing your signature of your name, writing somebody a letter. Think about those days. Have they come and gone? Are they still alive? I heard through the grapevine, which is a familiar phrase, cursive writing is being eliminated from reading and writing skills in early grades. I'm talking about grade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why? Because people are learning to use a typewriter more than they are to learn how to write with a pen or pencil. That's right. I've always considered writing an art. It's a science, yes, but it's also an art. Remember those days we had a piece of paper, lined paper, 2 lines across were blue and the middle was red. You had to shape your letters of the alphabet to coincide with exactly where the lines were, either this line or that. Do you remember those days? Yeah, I remember them too. A perfect A, B, C, a perfect X, Y, Z, whatever, cursive writing. And you would take that skill, learn how to write a letter, write your name. Yeah. And as you know, people use calligraphy, which is a type of font, using specialized pens or pencils. And people have beautiful, beautiful handwriting in the past. I remember seeing it. Age had nothing to do with it. It's how you practice writing. Some people even to this day still use a pen or pencil to write rather than a typewriter. Because it's an amazing thing with muscle memory. It's true. When you write something, your hands remember. It's like muscle memory. Your hands remember letters, they remember numbers, they remember all kinds of things. And when they change things all of a sudden to a typewriter, you have to relearn where everything is on the typewriter. Right. That's what I'm saying. The death of cursive writing is very, very sad. Some people might call it progress. For example, even today, you pick up a parcel from a company. You have to write a signature of some kind on a glass plate or screen. That's right. You can put an X, but anybody can forge an X. Signing a check for something, an actual check, a bank check. I know everybody says now electronic transfer, but an actual signature means something. A signature for your birth certificate, a signature, let's say, for your passport, a signature for life insurance, and many, many real documentation you have to write with a pen or pencil. Yeah. So as I said before, cursive writing is an art. I really believe it is. As I said before, age has nothing to do with it. It's how you practice using it. Somehow, when you're writing a story, an essay, or anything like that for school, a research paper, sure, writing it by hand, it takes longer. It's more physical effort, but you have more satisfaction by looking at it, don't you? Versus typing it. If you're writing it in black or blue ink, then all of a sudden you go back with red or another color to recognize you made a mistake here or there. So the fact you're actually doing it by hand, such as cursive writing, it's a major accomplishment both mentally and physically, isn't it? Your body remembers writing words. You make a mistake, your body remembers, your hand remembers. I always say, writing with an expensive pen or pencil. When I say expensive, I'm talking more than 25 cents. Write with a pen. Next time you're in the area of Staples or Business Depot stores, pick up a pen that's worth a value of $20 or more and write your name or anything you want. And you'll notice, do the same exact script using a pencil or a very cheap pen, and right away you'll notice your fingers will recognize the quality of that particular writing instrument. It's dramatically different than one before. Yeah. Versus writing on a keyboard, again, you have to remember where all the keys are on a keyboard. That's fine. But it's not the same feeling whatsoever as writing with a pen or pencil. Your name, a story, whatever it is. Huge difference. That's why I'm very sad to hear news about the death of cursive. How can they actually call that progressive? Especially these days when you're writing on a keyboard or even on your computer, in a sense called on your cell phone. You're not writing, you're typing. You're typing letters here and there and so on. You have a predictive type of English. The computer inside your cell phone or computer on your desktop is looking for the correct answer to that word. Do you mean to say this word or that word? However, if you're actually writing it by hand, you'll remember how to spell that word correctly over and over and over and over again. You cannot get that in other ways. You can't. This is lightningesl.com. Thank you very much for your time. Bye-bye.